Welcome affiliates of Village Craft and Candle to our comprehensive guide on maximizing your affiliate dashboard. Today we'll be covering the various options available to you for creating personalized links, QR codes, and affiliate promo codes within the Village Craft and Candle affiliate dashboard. Let's start with personalized links. These are a powerful tool for tracking your referrals and commissions. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that allows you to tailor your links for different marketing campaigns or audiences. Next up, QR codes. These are perfect for online promotions or mobile-friendly campaigns. Simply customize the QR code with your desired parameters and download it for use in your marketing materials. Lastly, let's talk about your unique affiliate coupon code. These are great for incentivizing purchases and tracking campaign performance. To generate an affiliate promo code, contact us and specify the name of the code you want us to generate for you. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the tools available in your Village Craft and Candle affiliate dashboard, boosting your marketing efforts and maximizing your earnings. If you have any questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated affiliate support team through your Village Craft and Candle affiliate dashboard. Happy promoting!